Hi guys, welcome back to College Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my potato salad. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about College Kitchen. You can always go ahead and follow me on Facebook, College Kitchen, and also check out my recipes. They are listed in the description box below. Once again guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So here I have my Irish potato, and you could go ahead and use sweet potato as well. I also have 2 eggs, onion and bell peppers, and I'm going to use some mayonnaise, some ranch dressing or ranch sauce, and I'm going to use some black pepper. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to go ahead and remove the skin from my Irish potato. As I said before guys, you can go ahead and use sweet potato if you want. Whatever you have, if you have sweet potato or Irish potato, go ahead and use it. As I said before in previous videos, we are always trying to make cooking easy for you guys. So just use whatever you find in your kitchen. So of course, some persons might say, do I have to remove the skin from my Irish potato? No, you don't have to remove the skin. You can go ahead and wash off the sweet potato and just boil it like that in the skin. The only thing is that once the sweet potato finish boiling, you have to remove the skin from your sweet potato before you add the egg and the bell peppers, the onion and the mayonnaise. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the other Irish potato. And of course, I'm gonna wash my Irish potato and I'm gonna boil this for 7 to 10 minutes off camera. And as you can see, I'm not slicing my Irish potato too thin nor too thick, just the right size, because you don't want to overcook your Irish potato. So I'm just gonna slice this up. And I'm gonna place it in the pot, and as I said earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and boil it for 7 to 10 minutes. So while I'm boiling my Irish potato, or as I said before, if you have sweet potato, go ahead and use it. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up my onion and my bell pepper. For the onion, we're not going to slice it up too thin nor too thick. We just want it small enough, because as you know, when you're eating your potato salad, you want to have that crunchiness in your potato salad. So hence the reason we're adding onion and bell peppers. And I know a lot of persons might say, but I don't like onion. It's fine, you don't have to add onion. The onion is optional, the egg is optional. As I said before, you can substitute the egg for vegetables. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, College Kitchen. Tell your family members, tell your friends about College Kitchen. Have them subscribe to my channel. We're heading to 2K subscribers and I'm so happy. I'm just grateful and thankful for you guys. Thank you for your support each and every day. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for taking the time out to recommend my videos to persons. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and slice up my bell peppers. Alright guys, so the reason why I'm using the bell peppers, also the bell peppers give the potato salad a nice color. And as you know, as I said earlier, we're looking for that crunchiness in our potato salad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my bell peppers. And guys, while I'm doing this, please remember to boil your Irish potato, and also you're gonna boil the egg also. And also I removed the shell from the egg off camera. So you know you want to save time, so you just go ahead and do part, and then you just do the other part, you know, just to save some time. So I'm almost finished with my bell peppers. So now it's time to go ahead and start making my potato salad. So as you can see, this is my potato. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my egg. And for the egg, I'm not going to slice it too thin. I want it to have thick chunks. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice up the other egg. And of course, I'm gonna add my bell pepper and my onion. So once I'm finished adding the bell pepper and the onion, I'm just gonna combine that together with the potato. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the ranch sauce. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of the mayonnaise. And guys, also the amount of mayonnaise that you're adding is optional also, because I know a lot of persons don't like their potato salad to be creamy, but I love it when it's very creamy. So of course, you know, I added the black pepper, so I'm just gonna combine this together. And as you can see, this is a really easy and simple recipe. Go ahead guys and subscribe to my channel. Tell your family members, tell your friends about Kali J's Kitchen. So now I'm just adding some more ranch sauce because I think it needs a little bit more. And I'm just gonna combine, and this take roughly 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you the final product of my potato salad. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my potato salad. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try out this recipe, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!